Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlight projectors. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat surface, facing a wall about 25 feet away. This distance is crucial for accurate alignment. Next, mark the horizontal and vertical center lines of your headlight beams on the wall. This initial setup provides a baseline for precise adjustments, ensuring your lights are neither too high nor too low for safe driving. Now, open your hood to get a clear view of the headlight assembly. You'll be looking for two specific adjustment screws on each headlight. One screw controls the vertical aim, moving the beam up or down, while the other handles horizontal adjustments, shifting it left or right. If you're unsure, your vehicle's owner's manual will show you exactly where these are located. With the adjustment screws identified, it's time to fine-tune. For vertical alignment, turn the screw to bring the top of the brightest part of the beam 2 inches below your marked line on the wall. Then, use the horizontal screw to center the beam directly under your vertical mark. Make small, gradual turns, checking the beam pattern after each adjustment. Repeat for the other headlight. After adjusting, take your vehicle for a test drive on a dark road to confirm the beams are properly aimed and provide optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Both headlights should be level and illuminate the road effectively. Proper headlight adjustment significantly enhances nighttime driving safety. Also, for those looking to improve their financial outlook, check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.